Hi folks, and welcome back to thomashenson.com, and today's episode is all about big data. And it's a book review that I've been wanting to do for quite some time, so stay tuned. So today's book review is the Big Data MBA. It's by Bill Schmarzo, a fellow Dell EMC employee and a person who worked at Yahoo during the early days of data analytics, ad buying, and also the Hadoop era too. This book focuses on the business objectives of big data. A lot of things that we as developers and technologists actually kind of overlook. And I know I have in the past, and it's all about, okay, we want to be able to take Hadoop and I'm ready to implement it, but this goes into what the business objectives are too. One of the things that I really like about this book is Bill talks about anything over 6 months is really just a science experiment, right? And so that's really an agile principle too. So if you're in the DevOps and agile software development, you'll kind of understand the concepts of, hey, let's find one or two small objectives that we can make a quick impact on, and anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks, and then we can just build those use cases too. And so a couple of the examples he uses is on just single products, right? So instead of trying to increase like all your products, revenue by like 10 or 20%, he says, let's just pick one or two. And I really like that approach, right? Because what you can do is you get everybody together. So it's not just your, developers, your business analysts and the product owners. It's, people from marketing, your executives. Everybody gets in a room and, a lot of whiteboards up, and you actually sit down and you talk about these objectives. So if we're wanting to, increase the profits of one product in 2 months, what are we going to do? So we'll look at what we have from a data perspective and we'll start data mapping. So currently this is the data that we have. What are some outside, data sources that we can bring in? What would help us answer questions, right? So what questions will we love to be able to answer about our customer, and is there data already out there about that? And so I really like this book. I think anybody that's involved in big data or data analytics should read it. I mean, it's definitely, high-level business objectives, but even for Hadoop, developers and your big data, developers, I think it's really important for them to understand those objectives. One of the big reasons that a lot of projects in software development and big data fail is we don't tie it to a business objective. We have a tool or a widget or a framework that we want to use, and it's great, but we're having a hard time really bringing it to the CFO or the upper level management on what objective and what benefit we're going to get out of using this tool. And so for people, that are involved in big data, even from the development side, I think this will help you be able to champion those initiatives and be able to, have more successful projects too. So make sure you check out the Big Data MBA by Bill Schmarzo. And to keep in tune with more big data tips, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out thomashenson.com. Thanks.